Hi guys, so welcome back again to my channel. So this is Jody cooking, and today guys I'm gonna make you guys some french fry spicy chicken. These are all my seasoning that I'll be using. This is my chicken leg and thigh. First thing I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna season my chicken. It's already washed, it's already clean, so I'm just gonna use 1 spoonful of the all-purpose seasoning, and 1 spoonful of the chicken seasoning, half a teaspoonful of the paprika, and 1 spoonful of the everyday seasoning. This is black pepper and garlic powder, half a teaspoonful. And I'm gonna also use a chicken stock cube guys. And I'm gonna add scallion, garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Then I'm just gonna take my hand guy and just massage the meat. So this is how my chicken look guys after I finish seasoning it. So here I have guys a glass of milk. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some of my hot pepper sauce in there. And just stir it. I put at least 5 spoonfuls of the pepper sauce in my milk guys. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna throw it on my chicken because I'm gonna leave it overnight in the fridge to marinate. I'm gonna leave it for at least 7 hours. Hi guys, so my chicken has been marinated and this is how it look. What I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna remove this excess milk from it. So this is my flour mix guys. I'm using plain flour. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some seasoning to it. So I'm adding 1 spoonful of all-purpose seasoning and 1 spoonful of the chicken seasoning, and 1 spoonful of the everyday seasoning. And 1 spoonful of garlic powder. I love garlic powder. Make the chicken so nice. And 1 teaspoonful of black pepper. And I'm also gonna add some salt to it guys. Not a lot, around a teaspoonful. I'm just gonna take my spoon and just stir it. Make sure it's all blending. Here I also have guys 2 eggs in a bowl. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna add some hot pepper sauce in there because I'm doing spicy French fried chicken. Not a lot, around 2.5 spoonful. And I'm also gonna add to it, guys, a bit of salt. You just take your fork and just stir it. Make sure everything is all blending. So the egg, guys, the eggs is gonna make the chicken very crunchy. So that's why I'm doing it with egg. So this is how my chicken look, guys, after I remove the excess milk from it. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I leave it to room temperature. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some more seasoning to it just to freshen it up a bit. So I'm just gonna add 1 spoonful of the everyday seasoning and half a teaspoonful of the chicken seasoning, and half a teaspoonful of the all-purpose seasoning. So that's my chicken there, guys. So first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna transfer my chicken into my egg mix. Just make sure it's all coated in the egg mix. And then I'm just gonna put it in my flour. I'm gonna repeat this, guys, just repeating it back and forth. Just make sure everything is coated. See all these parts, make sure it's all covered with the flour. So this is how it look, guys, after I finish. So I'm just gonna fry them right now. So that's my oil there, guys. It's hot. Just make sure you put enough oil in your pot so the chicken will fry properly. So I'm just gonna put my chicken in my pot now. I'm gonna fry it like 5 minutes on each side. I only had 5 chicken to it. So I'm just gonna allow them to fry for 5 minutes on each side. So it's been 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna turn my chicken. They're looking so crunchy and so nice. It's perfect. And if you want your chicken, guys, to cook right through, you can always put a lid on it. Alright, guys, so my chicken is all finished. So I'm just going to remove them. And then I'm just going to plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Alright, guys, so my chicken is all finished. And this is how it looks on the plate. It's looking so nice, so delicious, so juicy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for many other videos. And I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.